Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to add payment method to your account. In the beginning, from the homepage of your PS5, you have to go to Settings. Make sure that you're logged to your account and then go to Users and Accounts. Now, go to Account, Payment and Subscriptions, Payment Methods, and select PayPal or credit and debit card. Now you can scan QR code and follow instructions on your mobile device to connect your card with PS5 account or use controller instead. Here you have to add credit debit card number, expire date, security code and name on the card. Then you can continue and your card will be successfully linked with your PS5 account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.